This is the sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now, let's look at the sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the sound which we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the sound. Now do it again, but this time relax your tongue slightly and produce a short sound instead. Well done, you just produced the sound. This sound is produced with the tongue raised slightly and the lips weakly rounded. It's produced with less tension in the tongue, and when we do this, it creates a more centralized sound. This gives the sound its technical name, the near close, near back, rounded vowel. However, this name and symbol are a bit out of date, because this sound is generally produced with the middle of the tongue raised in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So, try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Lose, push, tooth, could, wolf, group, truth, book. The sound is usually spelt with the letters O or U, or combinations of these letters. The sound shares the same spelling combinations, so these sounds can easily be confused in minimal pairs such as pull, pool, full, fool, hood, hood, look, luke, soot, suit. Fortunately, these sounds don't share many common minimal pairs, but you should try to relax the tongue when you produce the sound to avoid confusing it with the sound. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. The woman took the book. The wolf stood in the woods. Put the sugar in the pudding. The butcher cooks good food. You shouldn't push on a pull door. Where the sound exists in unstressed syllables, it's increasingly replaced with the schwa sound in modern pronunciation. For example, ambulance, ambulance, particular, particular, population, population, education, education. This is known as the weak vowel merger, and it's already advanced in words that contain the sound. Consequently, the modified forms are considered standard, and you should try to use the schwa sound in these words. I recommend you watch my previous video on the weak vowel merger for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson. But can you think of any more words that contain the sound? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.